Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can free up storage on Android. So if you got an Android device and you want to free up storage to make your Android performance faster, this is what you are going to do. The first one is that you can delete unused apps. So if you are having an apps that you don't get to use a lot, you can just delete it. You can go to the settings in here and find the app settings. Sorry, this one's right here. Then choose an app that you want to delete, that you really use. For example, I want to delete this one. You can click on the app and let's just tap on uninstall and then click on OK. And the second one, without having to delete the apps, you can try to clear the app cache and also data. So you can go to the settings again and apps, and here tap on the app that you want to clear its cache. For example, this one right here, and then go to the storage and cache. You can tap on clear cache and also clear storage. Click on delete. And the third one is that you can move apps to SD card. So if your device has an SD card, you can just move the apps to the SD card to free up the internal storage. You can go to settings, app, tap on an app, select storage and move to SD card. But since my device doesn't have any SD card, so I cannot show you that, but you can try if you have that. So the fourth one is that you can delete downloaded files. You can go to your file manager and delete any files you no longer need. This will include photos, video, music, and also documents. And the fifth one is that you can use a cloud storage service. You can upload photos, video, and documents to a cloud storage service like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. You can free up your space by using that kind of apps. And the sixth one, is you can remove unused widgets. So on your home screen here, like the one I have this on my home screen, there's this widget. For example, if you want to free up space, you can also just tap on widgets and remove it from your home screen. It will help you to boost the storage. And the last one, you can disable the background apps. So you can pause an app activity if you don't use it. You can go to the apps and you need to make sure, you can just scroll down, and here unused app settings, so you need to enable this. So it will pause the app activity if the apps is unused, so it will help you to free up some storage. So that's all. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.